G'day cocktail lovers. I was thinking to myself, I said, you know what you haven't done in a while? You have not made a blue drink. And we can't let Dave from Booze on the Rocks just hog all the blue drinks. He is the blue drink king, but there's got to be room for the rest of us as well. And so I found one I hadn't seen before. The original recipe was by Jeff the Beach Bum Berry. He's one of the big three, I guess, in 20th century tiki culture. The drink is called the Crystal Ship, and it has a split base of rum agricole and mezcal, which I thought was a very interesting pairing. Of course, clear spirits to show up the blue, because there's blue curacao in there as well. So if you're unfamiliar with rum agricole, honestly, with a mixed drink, you could definitely get away with using white rum. The difference being rum agricole is made from cane juice, whereas white rum is distilled from molasses. Molasses is the end product of sugar refinement. It's heavy, dark, and strong flavored. The cane juice is pre-sugar making, and so rum agricole tends to have a bit of a grassier flavor than a white rum. As I said, in a mixed drink, I think you can get away with that. So we're going to have some rum agricole, some mezcal, some blue curacao, and the obligatory juices, and we're going to sweeten this one with orgeat. Here's how we make it. In our shaker, we put 1 ounce or 30 mils of mezcal, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of rum agricole. Then we're going to add half an ounce or 15 mils of blue curacao, half an ounce or 15 mils of orgeat. Then we're going to add a full ounce, 30 mils of pineapple juice, and finish things up with 3/4 of an ounce, which is around 22.5 mils of lime juice. Add ice to your shaker, shake that good and hard for 10 or 15 seconds to chill and dilute the drink. Then I'm doing a dirty dump straight into my tiki goblet. This is traditionally served in a pearl diver glass. I don't actually have one of those. And if you like, you could strain this over crushed ice. I just thought, I'm taking the easy way out. It's a fun drink. It's not meant to be difficult. Let me get a straw. The Crystal Ship, let's give it a taste. Oh, the smoke and the mezcal comes through quite late. I was prepared to say, oh, it's not dominated by the mezcal. I thought the mezcal would be more pronounced. The sweet elements and the rum agricole come through first, and just late on the palate, the smokiness of the mezcal comes through without being overpowering. It's really interesting, because to me, I don't expect that smoke element in a tropical drink, particularly not a blue drink. As I say, blue drinks are always party drinks, and this one's got a bit of a flavor like you're having a barbecue with your tropical drink, and honestly, that's a good time. For real. I'm going to finish this off. Like I said, if you really want to see some quality blue drinks, definitely check out Dave at Booze on the Rocks. I'm going to finish this up. I do hope to see you again sometime soon. Until such time as I do, I will say cheers.